Subic Bay, nestled in the Philippines, boasts one of the world's finest natural deep-water harbors. For centuries, its strategic location along the South China Sea has made it a hub for trade and naval power. The bay's calm, mountain-protected waters have long attracted ships and shaped its destiny. Subic's history is intertwined with foreign powers, first the Spanish, then the Americans, who established one of their largest overseas naval bases here. After the U.S. military left in 1992, the area was reborn as the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, a symbol of economic resilience and transformation. Today, Subic Bay is entering a new era, driven by renewed investment in shipbuilding and maritime industries. This isn't just about ships, it's about forging new alliances and navigating the complex geopolitics of the Indo-Pacific. Subic Bay remains a vital gateway for the Philippines and a crucial checkpoint for global trade. Its deep harbor accommodates the world's largest vessels, making it invaluable for commerce and defense. Recent developments here reflect both local ambition and global significance. The story of Subic Bay is one of adaptation, shifting from colonial outpost to military stronghold, and now to a commercial powerhouse. Filipino workers, international investors, and strategic interests all converge in this dynamic region. Subic's transformation is a testament to the enduring importance of this harbor. As the world changes, Subic Bay continues to shape and be shaped by the tides of history. Its legacy endures, promising a future as significant as its storied past. Subic Bay's shipbuilding revival began with a major U.S. investment, not as a military base, but as a commercial partnership. In 2022, Cerberus Capital Management, an American firm, acquired the former Hanjin shipyard, with crucial financing from the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation. This move kept the strategic facility in Allied hands and launched a massive modernization effort. Under the new name, Aguila Subic, the shipyard underwent repairs, upgrades, and technological overhauls to become a world-class operation. By late 2025, the facility reached full operational capacity, marking a new beginning for Subic Bay. The U.S. investment is both economic and strategic. The shipyard is profitable and provides a vital repair hub for U.S. and allied naval vessels in the Indo-Pacific. Ships no longer need to travel thousands of miles for maintenance, saving time and resources. This development signals a return of American influence through economic partnership, not military presence. The model strengthens U.S. Philippine ties and projects influence without the complications of a formal base. It's a smart, subtle approach, supporting allies, securing infrastructure, and boosting local industry. The shipyard's success is a tangible result of this forward-thinking policy. Subic Bay is once again a center of innovation and strategic value. The partnership demonstrates how commercial enterprise can serve both economic and security interests. This new chapter is about more than ships. It's about shaping the future of the region. Subic's transformation is a blueprint for modern alliances in a changing world. The reopening of Subic's shipyard has revitalized the local economy and brought hope to thousands. After Hanjin's collapse, unemployment soared in Olongapo and nearby provinces. Now, skilled workers are back on the docks, and the ripple effect is felt across the region. The shipyard supports a network of suppliers, service providers, and small businesses, generating jobs and stimulating growth. Wages earned here boost local retail, housing, and education. Nationally, the shipyard enhances the Philippines' industrial capacity and global maritime standing. Building and repairing large vessels brings in revenue, foreign exchange, and advanced skills. This industrial revival helps the country move up the economic value chain. Subic's success is a model for how strategic investment can drive sustainable development and community renewal. It's a story of recovery, resilience, and a brighter future for Filipino families. The Subic shipyard is now a cornerstone of the modern U.S. Philippines alliance. For the U.S., it's a vital logistics and maintenance hub in a region critical to global trade and security. The facility boosts the operational readiness of the U.S. 7th Fleet, allowing a persistent presence in the South China Sea. For the Philippines, the shipyard strengthens national security and signals a deep alliance with the U.S. The Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement allows U.S. forces access to Philippine bases, and the shipyard's capabilities complement these arrangements. This partnership exemplifies integrated deterrence, using economic and military tools to prevent conflict. The The shipyard is a commercial enterprise with strategic impact, reinforcing shared prosperity and security. Its presence sends a clear message. America is committed to its allies and to a free, open maritime order. Tangible investments like Subic matter more than words in today's geopolitical climate. The shipyard reassures regional partners and strengthens a network of nations upholding international law. Subic Bay's transformation is a model for resilient, sustainable alliances. It's not just about ships, it's about shared values and a stable future. The U.S. Philippines partnership is stronger, more dynamic, and more relevant than ever. Subic Bay stands as proof of that enduring bond. Subic Bay's shipyard is now among Southeast Asia's most advanced maritime facilities. With 2 massive dry docks, floating docks, and giant cranes, it can handle everything from supertankers to U.S. Navy aircraft carriers. The main focus is ship repair, maintenance, and retrofitting, services in high demand along busy sea lanes. Commercial vessels and warships alike benefit from quick, high-quality service. The shipyard also retains the capacity to build new ships, including large commercial vessels and naval assets for the Philippine Navy and Coast Guard. Domestic shipbuilding is a game-changer for the Philippines' defense modernization. The facility's diverse clientele, from LNG carriers to destroyers, ensures steady business and strategic flexibility. This dual-use model blends commercial profitability with national security. Subic's capabilities make it a uniquely valuable asset for both owners and the host nation. It's a hub of innovation, industry, and strategic power in the region. The revitalized Subic shipyard is reshaping the Indo-Pacific's balance of power. It counters China's assertiveness in the South China Sea, signaling renewed U.S. Philippine resolve. The facility strengthens the security network for allies like Japan, Australia, and South Korea, enhancing naval flexibility and cooperation. Subic's presence boosts confidence in regional trade, safeguarding vital shipping lanes that carry 1/3 of global commerce. A secure maritime environment benefits all, reducing costs and disruptions. However, the enhanced U.S. presence may heighten tensions with China, making diplomacy essential. The goal is stability, a balance of power where disputes are settled by law, not force. Subic's shipyard is a key piece in this strategy, supporting peace through strength. It's a quiet but powerful counterweight in a contested region. The facility's impact is felt far beyond its docks, shaping the future of regional security. Subic Bay stands at the heart of a new era in Indo-Pacific geopolitics. Subic Bay's world-class shipyard is transforming the Philippines into a major maritime hub. Ships now have a top-tier repair option on one of the world's busiest routes, saving time and money for global shipping lines. This boosts the Philippines' share of the lucrative maritime services market, attracting investment and creating high-skilled jobs. The shipyard's reputation for excellence is drawing more businesses and building a comprehensive maritime cluster around Subic. Local shipbuilding is revolutionizing domestic trade, making inter-island shipping safer and more efficient. The facility's success is a model for public-private partnerships in critical infrastructure. Collaboration between U.S. investors and the Philippine government shows how strategic assets can be revived. This approach can be replicated in other sectors, accelerating national development. Subic's transformation enhances the Philippines' global standing and economic prospects. The bay is now a beacon for maritime trade and innovation in the region. On the Indo-Pacific chessboard, Subic's operational shipyard is a strategic masterstroke. It's not a new military base, but a blend of commercial and strategic interests that deepens U.S. presence in a sustainable way. The Philippines now plays a pivotal role in regional security, empowered by its alliance and new capabilities. Subic's revival, alongside expanded EDCA sites, repositions the country as a frontline state in the Indo-Pacific. This shift influences ASEAN dynamics, offering a model for balancing security and economic ties. The shipyard is part of a larger global competition to keep sea lanes open and governed by international rules. It's a long-term investment in a rules-based order, not just a short-term tactic. Subic's docks are a quiet statement of commitment, built with steel, not just words. The facility strengthens the U.S. and its allies' ability to uphold stability in Southeast Asia. Subic Bay is now a linchpin in the region's evolving security architecture. Subic Bay's future is bright, poised to reclaim its role as a strategic center for trade and security. The shipyard's success is just the beginning. Continued innovation and adaptation will be key. Its fate is tied to the evolving U.S. Philippines alliance, serving as a symbol of partnership and shared interests. The challenge ahead is to balance commercial viability with strategic value, requiring ongoing cooperation. Subic's revival shows that smart, economic-led initiatives can counter strategic challenges. Investing in allies and building capacity creates a resilient security network. Integrated deterrence, blending commercial, diplomatic, and military tools, is the way forward. Subic Bay stands as a leading example of this approach in action. From a bankrupt facility has risen a powerhouse, empowering a nation and strengthening an alliance. The ships built and repaired here are vessels of hope, carrying the promise of a more secure and prosperous future for all.